Good morning vlog. Welcome back to another YouTube video.
Hood.
Not the hood.
The hood.
Okay, so we are in upstate New York at this really gorgeous inn. It's like a modern farmhouse
Look at my
inn. Anyways, we are up. We're gonna go get breakfast.
Look at my
We're gonna go for a walk and don't know exactly what we're gonna do today, but we're really excited to be here.
Thank you for calling Kelder's Farm. Please press 1, press 3 for orders and pickup. Press 4 if you need help with anything else.
Okay, we're gonna go try to find hot apple cider.
Just a little background music.
And then we're gonna go to this animal shelter.
You guys have any hot apple cider?
Yes, we do.
We're gonna come right on down.
We were gonna go get dinner somewhere else. The restaurant was so good last night that I think we're gonna go to the same hotel.
And make our own cocktails.
Yeah,
True.
there's like this bar place where they have all this set up. And
You can like go make your own drinks, yeah.
We should definitely do
Yeah.
We should make each other drinks.
A drink.
And not
Okay, I just finished getting ready for dinner. I am by far the most dressed up. Slayed though. I'm wearing this little dress from Revolve. I don't know where it's from.
Steve Madden.
Steve Madden. I didn't even know Steve Madden had clothes.
Yeah, because this one is like cute.
Okay, dress from Steve Madden. We are going to go make some cocktails at the farmhouse, and then we have a dinner reservation.
Wait, how do I record?
Okay, guys.
Going. A piece of that.
Yeah, I want a piece of that. Wait, this is a real game changer. Okay, guys, I've never vlogged with a ring light.
My jewels have taken.
I can't see anything. I'm literally gonna go off a ditch.
out of control.
You guys are going first. We're doing lime. We need gin. I don't really know if I want to do gin. That's what's normally in. Oh, really? Rum. Are you? I really don't. I don't. There's like another left.
This is very janky.
Watch it be really good.
I like this. There's, what is it called?
The penny.
The penny.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's strong. It's definitely strong. The penny.
The penny.
The penny could be better.
The penny could be better.
Okay, so this is like the bootleg penny. This is Walmart penny.
If we're being real, guys, I'm drunk. Guys, my friends call me pendulum now.
Swinging pendulum. We should get a pendulum. Do you know how they work?
No. It is so pretty today. Yeah, I'm vlogging. You want to say hi?
Yeah. Hi, people. I'm gonna be back soon, I promise.
Tom,
y'all miss me so much.
we do miss you in the vlogs. Tommy's in Tokyo. And I decided not to go to Tokyo.
Play tomorrow too.
Oh, that's so exciting. Okay guys, we are back home in Connecticut now. We left after breakfast this morning. Honestly, I feel like I really needed this weekend. And I didn't really even know that I needed it until we went. I'm gonna start unpacking. But yeah, it was just really, really nice and relaxing. Honestly, just like traveling somewhere to not be super busy and not be like packed with activities is something that I don't normally do. I feel like I'm so busy here at home. I'm very relaxed here, and also I work on weekends and I'm not complaining at all because it's just like part of my job a little bit. But besides vlogging this weekend, I really didn't work. I didn't shoot any ads. I didn't do anything for Dairy Boy. I honestly didn't really check my email. And I just like relaxed and kind of did like nothing, which was really needed. I did mention in this vlog like earlier today that I wasn't going to Tokyo. Sorry, my camera just died. What I was saying was though is that I really want to go to Tokyo and it's a place that I've been wanting to travel to. Didn't really make sense for me to go. I just honestly have so much going on with work and this is my favorite time of the year at home. And I just kind of made like the more rational decision to not go. But that being said, I definitely probably go next year. I've just learned with the ATP tour, the tennis tour, I feel like I've just learned a lot this year now, officially being on the ATP tennis tour for a full year. I feel like I've really learned what tournaments I should go to, what tournaments I shouldn't go to. I really went to everything, I feel like, which was amazing. Choosing what tournaments at certain times of year are good for me to go to. It's just not really feasible for me to go to everything. I feel really good about my choice not going to Tokyo this year, especially because I'm going on a brand trip in Paris right before the Paris tournament. I just want to be like smarter about my travels and about jet lag and about hopping through different time zones. But yeah, I'm really excited about this coming season because I just have it a little more dialed. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend vlog. Let me know what video you guys want to see this week. I have a few fun ideas. I'm going to film separately from my weekly vlog. I'm going to film another cooking video. I really liked doing the what I eat in a day video because I feel like I was just able to show you guys a little bit more of like my little quick, like yummy but filling recipes. Like I just like showing recipes, so maybe doing like more what I eat in a days and doing more recipe cooking stuff and then just like weekly vlogs and stuff before I'm traveling again with Tommy, getting that home stuff in and just getting like the fall cozy home content up. But so if you didn't know this, I feel like I've talked about this in some vlogs, but on Sundays I always like clean my whole place, do my laundry, organize, clean my office, and get flowers for like every room of my house and throw away stuff in the fridge and restock. So right now I'm unpacking my stuff from the trip. Trying to always unpack right when I get home is something that I've gotten into the habit of and it's very helpful. But I just like setting myself up for a productive Monday. We're gonna have a very busy week this week with Dairy Boy. We are launching our denim campaign next Friday, which is insane. The denim that we launched at the pop-up is launching on Friday online. I'm so excited and I have a bunch of ads to shoot this week. With that being said, I do want to say thank you to you guys for supporting my branded content. My branded content, you know, is kind of like the job part of this job. I mean, my organic content is still work, but without the branded content, I wouldn't be able to do the organic content. So I just want to thank you guys for supporting my branded content on Instagram and on here. I have started to secure quite a bit of work on my YouTube. I would not be able to do that without you guys. I know that my videos weren't sponsored for like the beginning of my comeback to YouTube, but I'm definitely going to be having some ads here and there on my YouTube. So just thank you in advance for supporting those. Just gonna finish up my cleaning and organizing. I just ordered Instacart. I love Instacart, don't get me wrong, but on Sundays I do normally like to go to the market, but I'm honestly like, I kind of just want to be at home right now, so I just ordered Instacart. I'm gonna make some soup tonight. The girls are still here downstairs, so I think I'm gonna make everyone soup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and until next time.